I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging in just a few easy steps. If your Reels are slow, buffering, or not playing smoothly, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it quickly. The first step is to go into your device settings. From your homepage, open settings, then navigate to apps or application manager depending on your phone. Scroll through the list and find Instagram, then tap on it to open the app settings. Here, you'll see options for storage and cache. Tap on storage and then click clear cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing Instagram to lag. Clearing the cache is safe and won't delete any of your personal data. After clearing the cache, open Instagram again. Now we need to adjust a specific setting that can improve how Reels load and play. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu, then scroll down and go to settings. Inside, look for the app and media tab. Under this tab, you'll find data usage and media quality settings. Open this section and you'll see an option related to data saver or use less data. Make sure to turn this setting off, as having it enabled can limit how Reels are loaded and make them lag or buffer. Turning it off allows Instagram to use more data for better performance and smoother playback. Once you've done these steps, your Instagram Reels should run much more smoothly. Use Reels to test it out. They should now load faster and play without stuttering. If you still experience lag, you can also check for app updates in the Play Store or App Store, as keeping Instagram updated often fixes performance issues. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy Instagram Reels without interruptions. Remember, clearing cache and adjusting data usage settings are often the most effective ways to fix lag. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can fix Instagram Reels lagging and have a smoother viewing experience. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy Insta using!